Well, we got a new job we're starting here today. We're going to strip the sand off of this arena, and we got a bunch of new sand, different type of sand coming in. That'll be later in the week because we got so much rain, we can't get the trucks in here. Still a little wet in this field coming off this driveway. So we got a driveway, starts way up there, runs around, goes all the way around there, comes down to the house. We're going to recondition that driveway, and I think we got stone coming in tomorrow for that, so we'll dress that up. We're going to kind of fix that driveway a little bit. It's pretty good, but we're going to go over it today since it's too wet to get the trucks in the field here. And we're going to haul that sand out of that arena, and we're going to move it down here and pile it along that creek there. And then we got to build a pad on the back of that barn over there, a gravel pad with number 3s. We'll top coat that with the same sand that they're bringing in for the arena. So, forgot the GoPro today, so I'm filming with my phone, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, we're letting the machines warm up. Go clean the driveway up a little bit. Got to do some trimming along the trees, a couple of them here and there. Get that done, and that's probably all we'll get done here today. Wait for it to dry up a little, and ready for tomorrow. So stay tuned. Well, we're getting there. Got a little bit more to do here. We don't want to get too deep. We're almost there. We got about 1 inch to take off right there in the middle a little bit. A little bit high right there. Right there's the base. We don't want to go below the base. Yeah, my size over here is pretty good. Not too bad. Yeah, not quite an inch. Not quite an inch. So, we're getting there. A little bit more. Get her cleaned up. Hog and dirt. Let's see how this works. Put that in my pocket. I don't know if that'll work or not. This Bobcat, it's a lot faster than John Deere on 2-speed, high speed. About it for today.